Hello children, in this video I will continue your second chapter, that is your chapter 2, My Body is Strong. So this video is the continuation of your chapter 2, My Body is Strong. So children, look at your page 23. Today I will continue with this chapter, page 23. So let's read. My father told me that there are many body parts or organs present inside our body. These organs are called internal body parts. He showed me this chart and explained the parts to me. So children, Ruma's father told her that there are many body parts or organs which are present inside our body, and these organs are called internal body parts. And these organs are called internal body parts. So children, what do you mean by internal body parts? The body parts that are present inside our body, the organs. What do you mean by internal body parts? The organs which are present inside our body are called internal body parts. So internal means inside. So the organs which are present inside our body are called internal body parts. So children, what are our internal body parts? Brain, heart, lungs, muscles, stomach, bones, these are all internal body parts. So children, this is the chart which explained you about the internal body parts. So see children, these are all internal body parts or internal organs. Brain, heart, lungs, muscles, bones, stomach, these are all internal body parts or internal organs. So children, now we will read the functions about each internal body parts. So children, now we will read each one's function. Like brain's function we will read, heart function. Now we will read one by one internal body organs. We will read functions. So let's start. Our brain works like a computer. It helps us to learn, remember and think. It also controls our body and all its activities. So children, what is the function of our brain? The function of our brain is to learn, remember and think. It also controls our body and all its activities. So brain works like a computer. So children, brain works like a computer and it helps us to learn, remember and think. We can learn things, we can remember things and we think because we have brain. Because we have brain, that is why we can learn things, we can remember things and we can think. It also controls our body and all its activities. That means our brain controls our body and whatever activities our body do, it controls all that activity. Whatever activities our body does, it is controlled by our brain. So whatever activities our body does, it is controlled by our brain. So second internal organ is heart. So what is the function of heart? Let's see. He made me put my hand on the left side of my chest. I heard my heartbeat. He told me that the heart continuously pumps blood to all body parts. So children, where our heart is present? Our heart is present on the left side of our chest. So children, when you will put your hand on the left side of your chest, you can hear your heartbeat. So children, all of you put your hand on the left side of the heart and feel and feel your heartbeat. You can feel it. So children, Ruma's father made her put her hand on the left side of the chest and she heard her heartbeat. Likewise, if you will also put your hand on the left side of your chest, then you can hear your heartbeat. And what is the function of heart? The function of heart is it continuously pumps blood to all body parts. Continuously means with a flow, always. Continuously means always it pumps blood to all body parts. Continuously it flows without stopping a single minute. He continuously pumps blood to all body parts. Continuously means he always continues to pumps blood to all body parts. That means continuously means without stopping he pumps blood to all body parts. Now third internal organ is lungs. We also have two lungs, that is the picture of lungs is like this. So we also have two lungs which help us to breathe. So children, the lungs help us to breathe. So we are having how many lungs? We are having two lungs, but we are having one heart and we are having one brain. But how many lungs do we have? We have two lungs. So children, we also have two lungs which help us to breathe. So what is the function of lungs? The function of lungs is that it helps us to breathe. Now stomach. Stomach is a large bag-like organ that churns food so that we can digest it and our body can use it. So children, the next internal organ is stomach. So how does the stomach look like? The stomach is a large bag-like organ. Stomach look like a bag. So it is a bag-like organ that churns food. Children, what do you mean by churns? Churns means mixing or shaking the food into smaller substances or into simpler substances. So children, stomach is a large bag-like organ that churns food so that we can digest it and our body can use it. So children, stomach is a large bag-like organ that churns food so that we can digest it and our body can use that food. Now fifth one is muscle. Muscle is another internal organ which is like a rubber band. They help our body bend and move. They help our body to bend and they help our body to move. Now children, bone is another internal organ which gives us support to stand. So we can stand with the help of our bones. They help us move and protect our other organs. So bones protect our other organs. Other organs like it protects lungs, heart, brain. So bones protect our other organs like heart, lungs and brain. Other internal organ, the bones protects our other internal organ and the bones gives us support so we can stand because of bones and they help us move and protect our other organs. So children, look at your page 24. Here are some internal organs given. This one is heart, brain, lungs, stomach and muscles. What you have to do is you have to match the correct picture. Like stomach, you have to match with stomach, picture of stomach. Then heart, you have to match the correct picture of heart. Brain you have to match it with brain. So like this you have to do it in your EVS book. You have to match the organs with their names. So here some names are given and here the organs are given. So you have to see the organs and you have to match with their names. Now children, this one you will do it by yourselves. I have done it. You will just find out which is the correct position of this.